Hi everybody, thank you for joining us again. In this video we're doing back to school with essential oils. This is my special guest Jack. Want to say hi?
Hi, my name's Jack.
Yes, this is Jack, and I get asked all the time, what essential oils do you use with Jack? Does he have any favorites? And he has a favorite kit that's all his. Would you like to show everybody your special oils? It's the Reconnect kit, and I realize you guys are seeing it backwards. This is a special kit. We saved up for this kit. It was out of stock. When I became a member, I heard really raving reviews about it, and as soon as it came back in stock, we got a box, didn't we? We did. And so I'm gonna go through the oils in this particular kit, and then Jack's gonna tell you how he likes them, and I'm gonna show you how we use them for Jack. So this comes with 4 oils, and it is 2 of the oils only comes in this kit. You can't buy them by themselves. So that's one of the things that makes this kit so special. And so it comes with Genius, Reconnect, and Touch, and Sleepy Eyes. So Genius and Sleepy Eyes are in the Kid Scent collection, and you can buy them individually, and we're going to talk more about those oils in just a minute. Okay, so the first oil we like to use is Genius. And we have a roller top on this because sometimes you like this one, right? And sometimes Jack will just use this one when he feels like he needs it to help focus and to concentrate. It's a blend that's woodsy, kind of grassy smell to it, and it really helps with concentration. And so we put it, may I put these on you?
Yes.
And so we put these on his temple, like here and here, and then we put it on the base of his neck, right there at the base of the spinal cord, and then on the brainstem, right here. And then the next oil we use is not In Touch, but Reconnect, and I love the smell of this one. Do you like the smell of this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells really good. What I do for this one, you can do the same thing with Genius. I just take and put a drop on my hand, like so, and then I swirl it around a couple of times, and then we put it on his temples like this, and then we put it on the base of his spine like this. And there's usually some left over, so I go ahead, we don't want to waste oil, so I put some on me too, and I like to smell it. And as a teacher, as a homeschooling teacher, it gets me in the right mood. It helps me to focus and concentrate when I'm teaching, and it helps Jack concentrate and focus when he is learning. Okay, and then the next oil is In Touch, and this one we diffuse. We put this one in the diffuser. So do we use this one every day? No, we like to mix it up, right? So sometimes we will use lemon and peppermint in our diffuser. Sometimes we use vetiver, lavender and orange, just depending on what kind of mood we are in the day. But we usually always have something going in our diffuser when we're doing school. It's a really good way to use essential oils. And then the last one is Sleepy Eyes. Jack, what do you use Sleepy Eyes for?
To go into bed, it helps me.
Helps you go to sleep. Do you have a hard time sleeping at night?
Yeah.
Yeah, he has a hard time sleeping sometimes. His brain is very active, and so this helps him to wind down so he can have a good night's sleep. Sometimes we diffuse it. Sometimes he just puts it right here on his chest, or he puts it on his feet. So these are his special oils. And when we first got these oils and we used them the first time, we were getting ready to go to church, and I put the oils on him. I always ask to use oils on Jack. That's a good thing to do, right? You should ask people. And so I asked him if I could put the oils on, and he said yes. And we went to church, and so I just asked him how he felt with his new oils. Did he like his new oils? And then I asked him how he felt before we used the oils. And so, Jack, when you are using these oils, do you like them?
Yeah.
How do they make you feel?
Happy.
They make you feel happy
and calm.
and calm. How do you feel before you use the oils?
Mad and angry.
Do you know why you feel mad and angry? No. Yeah, so sometimes kids have a lot of energy, they have a lot of tension, and so with Jack, he has so much energy. And I know, like going to church or sitting next to him when I'm teaching, you can feel his energy and he's just really tense. And I like when he's using these oils, I can just feel him relax and I can feel him being very calm. And so they've been a blessing to him, but also me as a mom. So we really love these oils. And again, the Sleepy Eyes and Genius, you can buy them individually, and they're in a kit called the Kit Sense. And what's another one of your favorite oils?
Tummy jives.
Jack loves Tummy Jives. We usually put it in your stocking for Christmas, don't we? So Tummy Jives, where do you put Tummy Jives?
On my stomach.
On your stomach. And does that like make your stomach feel better? Yes. So if he's like, you know, in a car or he's going to be around people that you don't know, does that make your stomach sensitive sometimes? So sometimes using the oils helps your stomach feel better, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is one of his favorites. We usually put a roller top on this one also. I think this one, there's still a little bit left in there. And then there's some other kid scent oils, Owie, that you put on when kids get scraped and bumped. And then a couple other ones, but we're gonna share a graphic about that. But Jack, I really appreciate your help and thank you so much for showing everybody your favorite kit. So, and then join back in a little while. We've got essential oils for college students coming up, and then we have another final video. So thank you so much.